Good day guys, I'm Hasan Chakor and I'm from CAD Gizmo. And friends, in this video we are going to draw this shape in AutoCAD. So let's start the video. And guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. So friends, in this shape we draw this circle which have the radius of 27 units. With the circle tool, I draw this circle 27 units. Now we draw this circle which have the radius of 44 units and press enter and change the layer. Like this. Now we draw a line with the angle of 25 degree. Now we check the angle 25 degree. Now we draw this circle with the diameter of 12 units. See enter and give the diameter 12. Now we use the array tool with the polar array. Select the base point or change the item 4 because we have 4 circles and click on close array. So in this way we draw all of these circles. Now we draw a line Now we give the offset 48 units and 45 units. And give the offset 45 units. Now we give the offset 50 units and 45 units. And with the match properties command, we change the properties of these lines. Now we draw a circle here with a diameter of 30 units. Like this, and we draw the circle here with the diameter of 30 units. Same here with the 30 units. Now we draw this circle which has the diameter of 96 units. Diameter of 96 units, like this. Now we have another circle with the radius of 9 units. Like this, and trim this circle and delete it. Now we draw a circle here with a diameter of 27 units. First we make the offset of 62 units. Now we draw a circle with the diameter of 27 units like this, and now we have this circle with the diameter of 45 units, which means 22.5 radius. So select the 10 radius, draw a circle with the 22.5 units and trim it. And bleed it. So in this way we make this shape. Now we draw a line here. First we check the dimensions. 50, and we have the diameter of 30 units. So now we draw a line here. Like this, and trim it. Now we give the circle here, and which have the diameter of 16 units with the 10 radius. We select these lines and type 8 and press enter. With the TR double enter, we trim this circle and this line. Now we check the diameter, and you see the 16 units. Now we trim this circle like this. First we make the circle here with the diameter of 12 units with the 10 radius with the 6 units. Now we trim this and delete it. And guys, we will draw a circle here with the radius of 9 units. And with TR double enter, we trim the circle like this. And now we draw a circle here with the diameter of 15 units with the 10 radius. Select the circle and give the radius 7.5, which means diameter of 15 units, and trim it. Like this, and trim the circle. And now we draw a line here and trim it. Now we draw a circle here with a diameter of 15 units with a 10 radius. Select the circle and give the value and trim it and delete the circle. Delete the circle. So guys, in this way we draw our shape. And guys, if you have any question related to this video, then please leave a comment. And guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.